Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. One is finally moving, but it's approaching its resistance area here. Well, not there yet, but we're getting there as it seems. We have decent volume here. That volume came in today and we saw a bit of an additional spike here. It was one of the coins that we had covered and where we identified some trend reversal areas that could be used for trading. They both worked out, and now I think it's just about being patient and letting it play out. And what we need to see now is that it rallies to this pivot point up there, this decision point around 2.8 cents and 2.9 cents, because this is also the target or the minimum target for this third wave. I would expect it to get next into this region, but condition is that it needs to hold 1.85 cents. That means that should we break below 1.85 cents, it would indicate that this trade setup needs to change and that alternative wave counts need further consideration. There are still other possibilities that would, for example, allow for a reset here of the wave 2. Let's do that. For wave 2, this could happen, but then we came down quite a lot already here, so I would rather not see a new low below 1.85 cents. So for me at the moment, I remain here focused on the upside. So far that has been the right decision. Anybody who used these trend reversal areas for a trade, you just need to manage risk and let it play out, but certainly the 2.8, 2.9 cent level is the next hurdle for the bulls. I think we should get there. We see decent volume and there is not much resistance left until we get there, in my opinion. But of course, it all depends to a degree on the remaining crypto market as well. If Bitcoin suddenly crashes down, I would argue probably Harmony One will do the same, even though I don't pay too much attention to correlations, but there are still some correlations, right? Now, they don't always work out, and I do largely ignore them, but we always need to consider, if the whole market breaks down, of course, it would impact one as well. What did I want to do? I wanted to show you the VRVP, the historical volume, because this was really where you saw a lot of sort of historical volume, a lot of resistance. Now we are basically in an area where there is an insufficiency, so historical volume reduces, indicating also resistance should reduce. And it spikes again around that 2.8 cent level. So that will be the next pivot. Let's see if we get there. There is not much more to add. We can, one second, let me hide that first. We can look at the 50-day moving average, which is the yellow line here, the dynamic resistance now support level. And we are above that. That is basically a trend filter. Tells us as well that we are now in an uptrend. And if you look at the indicators here on the daily chart, the MACD is pushing higher. There's no exhaustion visible here at the moment. And also the RSI is pushing higher. That's exactly what we want to see in a third wave, that we get into these overbought ranges, because that is important in the crypto market in a third wave. The 4-hour chart shows even more how that volume came in. And so far I don't see any signs of exhaustion here yet. It's not the cleanest move to the upside though. I think that is sort of what's worth mentioning. It's not necessarily typical behavior for a third wave, the way we're moving here. But decent volume here, visible on the 1-hour chart as well. So let's see, I think it's now just, wait and see, let it play out. Okay, that's my update about One. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.